What's going on, guys? Jose here. Today I'm going to do a little talk about this new voltmeter I got. It's the Snap-on, I guess they're bigger voltmeter with the bigger display, and this thing's pretty massive. Here's a little size comparison. So yeah, that's pretty big. I think it's a really good meter. It's very sensitive. It's true RMS. This is the basic version of the high-end model, if that makes any sense. So they have the standard voltmeters, and then they have the Snap-on voltmeters, and then they have this will be the next step up. And it's not as expensive as, say, the advanced, but it's not as cheap as something like a standard voltmeter. It does a lot of features. I mean, even for the basic, the only thing it doesn't have is this one does not have temp, which the advanced does, and it does not have the Bluetooth, which the advanced does. Other than that, I mean, it does everything a voltmeter needs to do. It's I believe Cat 3 rated. So yeah, this is my new toy. It came with these test leads here and a little carrying case along with the manual. It does range. I'm not too familiar with this voltmeter. I'm just barely starting to get into the more advanced stuff into electrical, but I figured this would be a good starter. I had a cheaper one before, a lot cheaper. It was a Harbor Freight, and I decided to bite the bullet and get me a nice one. So far, not disappointed. It has it's digital, but it also has the backlit display, so that's really nice, especially whenever you're doing certain electrical jobs at night. It's good to have a little backlit display. It's really big. I'm not really used to it. I'm used to a really small voltmeter, so this is gonna take some getting used to, and how sensitive it is, because it's true RMS. I'm used to a voltmeter without that feature. So yeah, I definitely recommend it, especially for the price. It's a really good value. It's hard to believe coming from a Snap-on, but it really is. I was looking into the Flukes, and the Flukes run around $600-700. You could get this one here for roughly, that varies, I don't want to give you guys the wrong price, but I paid $325 for it, and I think that's a killer deal. So definitely check it out, see if you are interested. If you have any questions on it, I'll do another update video, or I'll answer them in the comments. I barely got it myself, so I don't know too much about it, but I'll let you guys know how it works in the field and how it holds up a few months from now. And yeah, so far from what I could see from the one time I used it, it's really sensitive, really accurate, and I'd highly recommend it. I mean, it feels very heavy duty, so yeah. Thanks, guys.